Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook a very simple dish or soup, sausage miswa, okay? So we need salt, black pepper, pork cubes, soy sauce, and then water, miswa, the sausages, and then garlic, onions, and spring onion. The garlic, the onions, and add the sausages. This sausages is already cooked. Soy sauce. Okay, and then we're gonna simmer. We're gonna put the cubes, pork cubes, cups of water. If we need more, we're gonna add later. Okay, and then we're gonna simmer it boil. Okay, the water. Okay. Now it's time to add the miswa, guys. Okay, and we'll be right back. Guys, that's our sausage miswa is done. Look at that one. It's super yummy. Okay, so I'm gonna garnish or add spring onions. Oh, it's super nice and delicious. Okay, tasting time. Lami oy. Lami kayo, sakto ra gid siya sa timpla niya. Lami kayo. So that's our sausage miswa. Yummy, guys. Look at that one, the sausages. Okay, so it's super yummy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. And then please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack, to my Instagram, D_bro_jack, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Okay.